Hi, it's Emily from Emily Loves Pins. Today we have the Disney Munchling Advent Calendar. There are 24 pins. It is the Munchlings. They're special holiday pins. I have seen spoilers, and obviously this video contains spoilers. Go ahead. Oh dear. We should probably pre-rip them. Aww. Oh my gosh, these are big. Oh, that's cute. Alright, rip away. We're not keeping the box. Aw, Lotso. So these are a lot bigger than the normal Munchling pins. And these are going on my Christmas board. So we're not actually using this as an advent calendar. We'll do one of those on our own. Aw, it's Daisy. And these are very sparkly, very glittery. They all have a lot. Oh yeah, Lotso has glitter in this white part right there. They're all very glittery so far. Y'all know I love glitter. Oh, Mickey and Minnie Peppermint. And another Minnie. Is that Marie?
Bianca.
Oh, Bianca. That's cute. Pumbaa. He's cute. Aw, is that Miko? He's got like swirls. That one's really cute. And that's Robin Hood, right? Mm-hmm. To me, that looks like Bambi. I don't know. It's Robin Hood because we have the stuffed one. Oh, there's Melanie's favorite, Stitch. That's really cute. We're about halfway through. Pooh. And that's Dale. We have a lot of these Munchling plush. Is that Tramp? What is that? Huh. I don't know who that is. Oh no, it doesn't say on the back. It just says mystery. Oh, Pluto. And Doug. Little alien. Baymax. What is it? Oh, is that Stitch again? We got double Stitch. Oh, that's good. That's Melanie's favorite. Double Stitch. And Cheshire Cat. Now, I remember seeing these at the pin event. I don't remember them being remarkably bigger than the rest of the Munchling pins. There's Chip. But they definitely are. They definitely are. All right, last two. And we got Mickey. All right, who's number 24? Let me see. Oh, who is that? That's one of the dogs, right? Who is it?
I think it's a bear. That might be Coda.
Huh.
Bear.
I'll have to look. I'll have to look if there's a list somewhere. But anyway, here's a look at the Munchling calendar. So last time I checked, it was restocked on Shop Disney. It's $250. I mean, for 24 pins, how much is that?
$10.
I mean, it's $10.41 a pin. They're definitely worth $10. I have seen several of them on sale in the various pin groups. Normal price that I've been seeing is about $18 each for people who are going to break it. I'm not breaking it. I'd like to be Munchling complete. So far I am. So I hope you liked it.
Yeah, it is Coda.
Oh, it is Coda. Okay. Coda the Yule log. Very cute. I think. So who's your favorite then? Oh, that's a hard one. Yeah. Now wait. I said who's your favorite? She picked 4. Who's my favorite? My favorite is this little loaf. Little Dalmatian loaf. He's adorable. All right, well, I hope you like our unboxing of the Disney Munchling calendar. See you later.